Hello and welcome back to Unresponsive Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your touch screen not working or you having frozen screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin. Now, really quickly, usually you probably are seeing this video because you have frozen screen, but very small percentage of people will actually suffer from, for example, ghost touch problem or low actually usability or sensitivity of your touch screen. And in order to fix that, you want to simply go into settings, scroll down to display, scroll down once again, and you can enable touch sensitivity or disable accidental touch protection. Is a very nice feature. But anyway, if you are coming from the problem of your touch screen being frozen, like at all frozen to death, then this means that you probably want to simply perform a soft reset, and this means simply turning off your phone entirely and then turning it on again. And normally you would do that by expanding the control center from the top right corner, then clicking power icon and then going to restart. But of course you can't do that because your screen is frozen and it just doesn't work. It's stupid. So instead, you want to press and hold power button and volume down button at the same time for about 10 seconds. So let's do that right now. So volume down button, power button at the same time. I'm currently seeing the power menu, but you wouldn't see anything because you have frozen screen. So we want to keep that on. And now, congratulations, your phone is performing a soft reset. I released my fingers, and now we can wait for a moment. Of course, it really is. It only boils down to like how many things you have installed on your phone, how many things need to reboot actually. But as you can see, it was pretty quick. And now we can swipe in to unlock. So let me go to swipe in. We can go here. And we can just enjoy our phone. And now this should fix the issue with your screen being frozen. However, if it didn't and you still have some issues, then this means that probably you either have like power button broken and you can't perform a soft lock, or you have problems with the screen itself, like physical problems that are physical onto your device, and you can't really fix that using some sort of weird settings inside settings. So if you have like still frozen screen, you probably want to take your phone to like Samsung store or like Galaxy store or whatever, and then ask them if you can have your phone checked out, especially if you have warranty, because if you do have warranty, you could always like try to return it and get a new one. But basically that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!